Congratulations! You've launched your minimum viable product and gathered valuable user feedback. But what's next? How do you transition from that initial version to a fully scaled product that can handle a growing user base and deliver a seamless experience? Let's explore the steps to scale your MVP effectively. Understanding the MVP. An MVP is the most basic version of your product that allows you to test your hypotheses and validate your business idea with real users. It includes only the core features necessary to solve the primary problem you're addressing. The goal is to learn as much as possible with the least amount of effort. Step 1. Analyze user feedback. After launching your MVP, it's crucial to gather and analyze user feedback. This will help you understand what's working, what's not, and what features your users are requesting. Use surveys, interviews, and analytics tools to collect this data. Remember, the insights you gain here will guide your next steps. Step 2. Prioritize features. Not all feedback will be actionable, and not all features are equally important. Prioritize the features that align with your product vision and will have the most significant impact on user satisfaction and retention. Use frameworks like the Moscow method, must have, should have, could have, won't have to categorize and prioritize features. Step 3. Enhance the user experience. Improving the user experience is key to retaining users and encouraging growth. This includes refining the user interface, optimizing performance, and ensuring your product is accessible and intuitive. Regular usability testing can help identify pain points and areas for improvement. Step 4. Scale your infrastructure. As your user base grows, your infrastructure needs to scale accordingly. This might involve migrating to more robust cloud services, optimizing your database, and ensuring your application can handle increased traffic. Planning for scalability from the beginning can save you from costly reworks down the line. Step 5. Implement analytics and monitoring. To make data-driven decisions, implement analytics tools to track user behavior and product performance. Monitoring tools can help you identify issues before they affect a large number of users and provide insights into how your product is being used. Step 6. Develop a marketing strategy. Scaling your product also means scaling your marketing efforts. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes content marketing, social media, SEO, and paid advertising. Tailor your messaging to highlight the value your product provides and the problems it solves. Step 7. Secure funding. Scaling often requires additional resources. Whether it's hiring more team members, investing in infrastructure, or expanding marketing efforts, securing funding can help fuel your growth. Consider options like venture capital, angel investors, or crowdfunding, depending on your business model and goals. Transitioning from an MVP to a full-scale product is a significant milestone in your startup journey. By analyzing user feedback, prioritizing features, enhancing the user experience, scaling your infrastructure, implementing analytics, developing a marketing strategy, and securing funding, you can set your product up for long-term success. Are you in the process of scaling your MVP? Share your experiences and challenges in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more insights into product development and startup strategies.